make an amazing app that is related to coronavirus. So without wasting time, let's start. Yeah. So firstly open your Scratch. So we are making our game on Scratch. That is easy and that is dynamic. See? Yeah. So firstly open your Scratch and then make an character. Select that character. So we didn't need this character. This is not what we needed. We make a game like that. Cat. Come on. We'll take a cat. A super cat is flying and flying with a sanitizer and killing all coronavirus. That's okay. Yeah. So now we needed a flying cat. So we take from it. Or you can customize it. I'm selecting from Spirit that is given by Scratch. So this is cat that is flying. So first we customize it and make a mask, as the coronavirus didn't make any effect on it. So firstly we make a mask here. For making a mask I will take yeah, you can make mask using whatever you want. I'm just making it means okay. So that's okay. What's is okay? So this is her mask or him mask. So now we will make an virus, that is coronavirus. So as this didn't have coronavirus but have a fish like object that is like coronavirus. Yeah. So what we go to animals as it is an animal, I think so. But fish. Yeah, fish, I think. So yeah, searching for it. I didn't got it yet. So that's okay. So we take this and erase all eyes and other that is not related to our topic. So we customize it and firstly remove all the three that is not necessary for us, and then remove eyes and all other things. So now we have to delete it and then others and whatever it is. So this is something like coronavirus, something like it's okay. Let's start. So we make work of that. So now we have to write a code. No, that's not looking nice. So firstly so now we have to firstly add a background that's make it nice. So you can add any background that you want that is suitable for you and your customization. So I am taking a background that is of stars. Yeah, here it is. So this is the background for me and the size of it is too large. We can't see, but it is a super cat, so it can see coronavirus. That's amazing. So now we make a size of 55 and then 40. No, it's gone 70. Or it's maybe 70. That's fine. And then we write a code here. That's more important than another. So we will run write code first of the I think so. You have to cat, yeah. So firstly go to cat and click and select it, and then add when clicked flag means when we started the game we have to execute some commands to tell the machine that when the game starts we have to execute. So we have to add this one, and then we have to add movement of it. We want movement in whole game, so we add here forever from the control, and then we make its movement from arrows or mouse, so it's likely to move it with the mouse. So we will add in mouse finder, yeah, from sensing, yeah, it's to be in sense. So we have to no, it is motion, so we have to move it now. Yeah, go to add it, and then we have to mouse finder so it can move. So we started add it is moving. So now we have to add the movement of coronavirus, that it is going here, there randomly. So we go to here and rename it as corona, and then add command for it. So now we have to add the movement. For that we have to give that when started the game, when we started we have to execute some command. For that we have to add when clicked, and then we have to add forever in a whole game from control, and in forever we have to add go to random position, yeah that's in motion. Go to random position as it go here and there, and then change X by any you want that is suitable for your gaming and what's your graphics and text. So now you have to change X by now where is it? Now change X by I will add 250, that's suitable for my game, 250, and then you have to add repeat this step in 32. That's good. So now we have to add the repeat from control there and 32, and then change X by one more time. Yeah, here. Now give it to minus, so minus 15. So as it moving or not? Yeah, it is moving in x-axis, and as you can see x is here, so it is moving here. When we change y, then it will move upward or downward. So now we have to make score and many more things to make points. This should be good, I think so now also. Okay, so now we add one more command for each. So now we want and thing in which when this corona touches to this cat or super cat, it will disappear for some seconds, so it's make the game like it is working and not moving like seriously. So we have to make it hide when it touches to it for some second. For that we have to add some command in this corona, I think so, yeah. So for one more time we have to add when clicked and execute our game forever, and then we have to add some command in it. Yeah, so if touching cat means if this corona touches this cat as it is named cat flying, then we have to do something. So we have to add if command, and then if it touches to, for that we have to go to sensing and then touching, add here, and then we have to add here cat flying as it is flying. as it is done. So now we have to add a command in it when it touches buffer. So we want that it will hide, so we have to add a command that is hide. So that's where it is hide. So it is looking that hide, but it is here. So for that we have to go to loops and then add and command hide. Yeah, here. And as it touches, it hide. As you can see, it didn't hide. As you can see, it is hiding and don't come in, and that's make our game so bad. Yeah. So now we have to make also a command that it also shows. As you can see, there is a command of show, and we didn't want to show it when it's hidden. We want to show it after some time. For that we have to add a controller. Wait for how much time you it depends on you, but you want I want a 0.8 that is suitable for your game, as the 1 second is fast programs. So now we have to add from looks show. Where is show? Yeah, here. So now see what's going on. Yeah, it doesn't come now. What's that? Stop it now. That's no. Why it is not coming? That's the code is right. I know that. So we have to just make something like that. How to fix? I think what's happening. I think that's whole the code is right. So firstly also here. Now it is coming. What happened to it? So let's test it. I want more time to oh, it's working like this. No, it's not. What's happening? Now it is not hiding and now showing. Now it's good. Okay, now it's right working rightly. We do not know what's happened, but it's going on, and we have some. The code is whole, but we have done. So now we have to add some more things to make our score, as if there is not the fun of game when there is not a score and the ending line. So we have to add a score here, and to add a score we have to add a variable. As you can see, I had it added. No, that is. So we have make a variable that is known named as score. So I make a variable that is named as score. As you can see, the score is come. And now we have to make a code when it touches to it. As you can see, it is disappearing, and also make the score increase by 1. For that we have to add one more command here. Yeah. So now we will do this command to catch that is flying. We can also add this to that. Yeah. So now we have to add this to data. So now we have to also add that go to events and then when clicked and one more time, and then go to control and set a score. That is a variable. So as we have variable set is go to my variable is score 0, and for forever means when the game is executing for whole time, you have to add a command. When it touches the wall, it's to make a score. So for that we have to add if command in it from console, and then we have to if, and in if and then between we have to add if touches. So in for that we have to go to add if touches to corona. We have to execute some command that is change score by 1, means it will increase the score from by 1. Yeah, so from variable we have to get change score by 1 and add for 1 score. Yeah. Now we have to wait for 1 second, so it's not to hurry up to do the work. Just take its time and make the whole game okay. And now we have to add one more command. It is working now. You can see the score is going. And now we have to add an limit, so that the game will over. If we didn't add this, this is going never end. So to end a game we have to add some more codes. For that we have to add some commands in it, or so we will add 2 commands in it so that this can work easily. Yeah. So for that we have to add a command from event. We have to check one click to, and then we have to go to forever, and add forever, and then in forever we have to add an if command. If the score is this, we have to do something with ID for it. For this we have to add if, and then if add an operator. Yeah. Add or command. This, so it's going to be long, and add this one. Yeah, and some name. Yeah, so we have to add this first 4, and then it's here, and it's here. Yeah, and then we have to go here. And then in this line we have to add a variable that is score. From variable we can take the score variable, and then if score is equal to and is equal to, we have to execute some command. So this code is too long, so for that we have to add there 15. Okay, that's done. If you want more you can add 20, 50, but yeah, but if you want to do, and that's 15. Yeah, and then you have to say something. No, say you have to stop the whole game if the score is equal to 15. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, so for that we have to go to controller and stop all the things that is executed, and one more command that's is going to add for each. So you have to just duplicate this and write one more command that if you read that's wrong, and when click is not copied, I think. Yeah, it is copied, and now you have to command we didn't need it, and say I think congratulations you won, and other things you like to. So for this we have to go to looks and see where is it. Yeah, see you won, and congratulations you won, whatever you want to do, you won. So it will add, if the score is equal to 15, it will add you won, or save you won. And I want one more thing, and then you have to add one more thing that I kill, means that this cat will say what I write. Now your turn to kill them by washing your hands. So that's it will say when the score is equal to 15. Yeah, so in starting it will just follow. So in this we have to also do something. So the score, oh yeah, we have to one more time escape. So you can see that's why this beginner thing. So you have to go to I think something was wrong. Now check it. 1 minute for that. No, yeah. So here the variable is that, so we have to give a wrong variable here. Here also. So we have to give an operator that is if no, check. Add it to here and add it to here. That is what is that? I think 15 here, 15, and here also 15. It is. And then from here we have to add a variable that is score. Yeah, now it will go nice. So when the score is equal to 15, it will do it is taking time, so so that the video is not make so long. I will score is set the score as I think 8. Yeah, that's near 8. And then here also 8, and here also 8. So now execute it. After 1 second it is adding score, so this is making something wrong. You can make the wait time as 0.3 or 4, what you want. As you can see, I killed all you attempt to kill. Yeah. The seconds are true as it is not making us to read it. You can say the setting limits and next command should be, and you want you have just here also our time limit. So for that you have to there and right here you want. And now in starting it will say the game started and you have to do something. For that we have to add, that's our last command, and after that the video off. So go to there. Yeah, so in starting it will say something, so that the user what is using it will understand what to do and what you have to do for it. So for that we have to go to events and add and then run click, and from here we have to add and looks and say something for, I think so the command will be also here for 7 seconds. That's all. And add one thing is not wrong. Yeah, this superhero is beating Corona from hand and it's not safe. For that we have to customize it and add and sanitizer, so it's be okay. So now it is now the super is hero is or super cat is safe, and now it can beat Corona. So we have done a mistake before sometime. Right here, somewhere right here. I'm making it will be done this here, It's okay, I think so. It is safe for him to kill Corona with sanitizer. So now we have to add the last code that is seen in the beginning of this game. So that is the code is, I want to say that, as we know, sanitizer. So the space here, kill coronavirus. So please help me to kill corona. Okay, so that's all about this video. Please like and subscribe my channel for these the videos like this. I will make video for you. So please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.